Hello guys, it's Kuku here and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if it's your first time stopping by today's video. Guys, it's a double cleaning motivation. I'm collaborating with Brenda from Brenda Space. She's a hardworking mom, you guys. She does cleaning videos, cooking inspiration, and a little bit of lifestyle and traveling vlogs. So I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hello guys, my name is Brenda. I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom of 4 beautiful kids. In my channel I do cooking, cleaning videos and some traveling vlogs. So if you're interested, do come ahead over to my channel after watching Gogo's video and also get some cleaning motivation. We have got tons and tons of cleaning motivation waiting for you today.
So guys, once you're done watching my videos, don't forget to head over to Brenda's channel and let her know that I sent you there. And if you're coming from Brenda's channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't be missing out on any of my future uploads. And guys, today I'm gonna be starting in my living room. I need to pick up all the things that were lying around, you know, straighten things here and there, and then I'm gonna be sweeping my floors, mopping, and then dusting all my furniture.
You know, no, imagine what would happen if we did it right. You got me spinning round, round. 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 Why can't we just be honest? Why can't we just be honest?
So now guys, I don't want to lie to you and say I move my couches each and every time when I'm cleaning my living room. I do this maybe once a week, you know, because you never know what you can find under your couches or under your cushions. So I always do that once or twice a week, depending on how busy me I was in my living room. You know, when you have small kids, they like to do all the funny stuff, so that's why I like to do it once or twice a week. So right there, I'm just wiping down. You know, it's been so windy of late, so I'm just gonna be wiping down my skatings and my windowsills as well.
Be honest. You got me spinning round, round. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
If only I had listened for a while, told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you are to me, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I want.
Now I'm gonna be dusting my furniture, this other side of my living room. As you notice, guys, I started off by wiping down my table legs and the top of the table because it gets so difficult to move around, so that's why I had to deal with that side, sweeping and mopping, and then dusting and all that. So now I'm moving over to this other side. I'm simply using my kitchen spray from Woolworths. It's in citrus scent. I love that, guys. It gives that freshness in your rooms. So once I'm done there, guys, I think I'm gonna be heading over to my kitchen.
Me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be bittersweet.
So now we are getting into the kitchen. I need to tackle all this mess that you see lying around. Those avocados, they need to get in the fridge. All the dirty glasses and the cups, I need to put them in the sink or in the dishwasher, and give my stove and the countertops a good wipe down. And coming on to the dishes, I need to load my dishwasher. So now I'm gonna be folding and packing away all my clean dish towels, and then I'll be clearing all the countertops, following by giving them a good wipe down. Guys, know how I will do things here in the house. I think I've been doing this for quite some time and I'm now used to it. It makes sense to me. I know some, they like to do the dishes first and then move over to the other side, but for me, I think it works perfectly well to first clear everything and then move over to the sink.
For me lately, did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Every moment tonight, they let me
single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me.
I've loaded all the dishes that needed to be loaded in the dishwasher. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off all my pots and pans. I'm gonna be hand washing them, you guys. I don't like washing my pots in the dish because they take so much space, you guys, and I feel like it's a waste. So I'm gonna give them a good scrub right there in my sink. And before I wash everything, I like to clean my sink and disinfect everything. So I'm gonna be using my handy andy and a little bit of bleach to kill all the germs.
You start me up like me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here. Cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me, I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out. End up losing myself in it. But I'm done being dumb. Gotta end it all now. I won't ever turn it round again. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me, I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. Cause I'm bulletproof. Cause I'm bulletproof. Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. Cause I'm bulletproof.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will
This is the must for me, you guys, each and every time, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or at night. When I'm done washing everything in my sink, I always make sure that my sink is nice, shiny, and dry. It's so satisfying, you guys. I'm not so sure about you, but I love, it's really so satisfying. I love to see a dry, shiny sink. So each and every time when I'm done washing my plates or pots, I like to give my sink a good, just to kill the germs and all that. So this is it, guys, for today's cleaning motivation video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got tons and tons of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to head over to Brenda's channel, and thank you so much, guys, for sticking around. I'll be seeing you on my next one. Bye.
Thinking about us before we got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could